Hello guys, so welcome back to today physics class for this upcoming WAEC and JAMB examination. So you're welcome. This will be the first video of this year, and this is one of our predicted questions that you should be expecting in this upcoming JAMB examination. So that is what I put this word to WAEC and JAMB likely question and answer. So if at all you are praying that you want to meet any question similar to this topic, I beg you are just lying, because question is already set under this topic and you cannot miss any question under this topic because it is motion, and anything about motion they do is one of the most important topic. They do set question always every single year, like 2 to 3 questions will come out for it if you're writing JAMB, and same thing goes to WAEC. So don't miss this class. So this is our first class for this particular year, and this is one of our predicted questions under this topic, so don't miss any part of this topic. So if you'd like to join our VIP class, okay, you can let me know. We're still on the promo names right now. You can ask for the price, and also if you want to join my support group, that one is free. Okay, you want to join support group, or maybe you're just coming for our group, so you should know me. Then whenever you come to my class, you hold your pen and your let's note so you can write something down. You can gain something down, and if you want to ask question, you jot it down, you go to the comment section and ask, or come to my DM, okay, and ask me question, or ask the question on the group and I'll answer you. So that is the reason why, guys, I watch this video at this moment and you haven't joined my WhatsApp group, my WhatsApp support group. It is free. Okay, what you just have to do here, go to the comment section and say ask for the link, and I will direct you. I will send you the link on how you can get to it, or you go to the description on this video, you see the link that directs you to our WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp channel, our Telegram group also. So without wasting of time, please, if it's the first time, do well to subscribe. It's very important. Like this video and share this video with your friend or family. Please, since you find this video is an opportunity, you can also help others by share this video with them. Okay, along people or people in your social media can share with them, or people around you can share this video and this channel with them. God bless you guys as you share this video with your friends and family. I wish you more wisdom, knowledge, understanding, and success in this academic examination. So let's dive into this question. Let's solve it, and how you can solve this question. So what if you say this question in this oncoming WAEC or JAMB examination? So how we attend to it? Okay, how we treat this question? How we just solve it in a short of time? Okay, the question, let me first solve the question. So that we have the diagram. So we have the diagram here. So the diagram saying the diagram above shows this is the diagram. Okay, shows a velocity time graph, and the statement that is true about this motion is that the car, so we have the car, it moves. This is the diagram of the movement of the car. When talking about velocity time graph, velocity graph, it gives a lot of information about the movement, about the motion of a body or motion of the objects. So there are a lot of information you can get from velocity time graph. But before let's solve this question, let me briefly explain what does it mean by velocity time graph and what are the informations you can gain from velocity time graph. Now, when I explain it, by then you should know your answer, because I'll try to break it down in step by step. You should know the answer then. So when I break it down, so let's first break it down and give you what does it mean by velocity time graph. What are the information we can gain from velocity time graph? So time graph rather. So let me say the information we can get. Let me draw the diagram and let me tell you what is all about. Sorry, let me mistake pen or something. I have to clean it off. So let's look at solution. Okay, solution. So first of all, let me explain the velocity time graph. So we have the graph. Okay, this vertical, this is explained like this. This place is the vertical axis. Okay, this place is the vertical axis, while this is also the axis. In velocity diagram, the velocity is the graph is plot velocity against time. So this aspect, the vertical aspect is velocity, and the horizontal aspect here, it is time. It's measure time. The vertical aspect here is measure velocity of the body, while the horizontal aspect here is measure the times of the body. Okay. Now, when at this point here, velocity is equal to 0 and time is equal to 0. That point is called a point at rest, or a body it is static. Means that particular body does not move, it has rest, it stays at one place. Or for example now, in the night you sleep, so your body is to be in a rest. So immediately you wake up in the morning and move from one point to another. That's the definition of motion. Motion is stated that is in the simplest way is the movement of an object from one point to another point. So since you wake up in the morning, okay, from your bed, you afterwards you wake up, you take the distance, okay, you move from your bed, either you go to bedroom or go do some necessary thing. So since you stand up and you change your position of your body, that is what of motion. So how do you plot the graph? They say that this question is called a graph. So this point is at point 0, 0, the velocity is at rest here, and the time is at rest here, and they all becomes what 0, 0. Now, when the body wake up, when the particular wake up, it moves and it what accelerates. So this point to this point like this is let's say that it stop at this point there. It is called acceleration. This point it is called acceleration. Here to this place it is what is acceleration. So it means that that particular point is move in what in accelerate. It has changed the position and it moves so fast. Okay, now, so from this point to this point, start from the reverse and accelerates to this point. And after the acceleration, it moves at a constant speed. Constant speed. So let me place as what as say what s constant speed. So you can spell it there. This first one takes the information of the body. When the body moves from rest, okay, it accelerates and it moves at a constant speed. At this constant speed level, the acceleration is equal to 0 because it does not acquire what any acceleration. So at this place, this point to this point, the acceleration is equal to what? 0. I get now. At a constant speed level, note that acceleration is always equal to 0. Now after it moves in a constant speed, it then what? Retardation. It's deceleration. Either it's what? Retardation or it decelerates. So from this point to this point, it is called what? Retardation, or we call what? Deceleration. So if this part is positive, if the acceleration is always really positive because it's increasing, while the retardation is to be negative of this what of this acceleration. So if you look at the body, it goes up, it's increasing, and when it comes to this place, is what is decreasing. So this way is being measured as negative, while this one is measured as what? As positive of it. Now at this point, the velocity, the acceleration is always equal to 0. Okay, do you understand now? So for the journey for a particular body to move from the initial position, the point of rest to this place, so the time measure is to be from this place to this place. The time measure is to be at this place. The time measure for this acceleration is from here to this place, and the time measure for constant speed is from here to this place. It's from here to this place. Okay, here to this place is the constant or time for constant speed. And here to this place is the retardation. So if you look at it, now, the shape here is from right angle triangle. Here it's from what? This also from rectangle. Okay, the way I draw it is always rectangle, and this also from right angle triangle. So if the question says to find the total to calculate the total journey, the total distance journey of this journey of the man. So you have to find the area of a rectangle, okay, plus area of triangle, rectangle triangle, and area of rectangle, and area of rectangle triangle. So now add it together, you get an answer for the total distance of it. Though we are still going to the calculation aspect of it, you will understand it better. But I'm just trying to tell you that information, velocity time graph gives a lot of information of the movement of a body. So the first movement, when the body is at rest, the velocity is called 0 here, and the time is called 0. The body will accelerate from this particular point to another point. Okay, here to this place it is called acceleration. I get now. And here to this place is the constant speed. At this level, at the constant speed level, acceleration is always equal to 0. Put that at the back of your mind. Okay, acceleration is equal to 0 at the constant speed level. Then after it, it's what? Retardation. It retardates. I get now. So that is the information you can get from the velocity time graph. So with the help of what I explained now, so if I were the one, you can get the answer to this. You can get the solution of this graph. So let me just explain this graph. Okay, I'm bringing that one house. So let me explain this graph. So we have the diagram shows the velocity time graph. the statement that is true about the motion, about this motion of the car. So they say that the car, the started measure, if you look at this diagram here, is likely different for what I, okay, let me bring it out here. Is slightly different for what I explained here. So if you look at this one, it starts from the verse, but at this point, that particular object does not is not more at rest. Okay, at this point there, it's not more at rest because it does not start from point 0 here. So at this point, the always what equals 0, but at this point then they are not more what 0 again. I get now. So at this point they are not more in 0. So it means that that particular object is already moving. Maybe it's moving in what? It's moving in a slow motion. It's moving before it accelerates. Here to this place is acceleration. So in this place, the velocity is not 0 here. I get now why the time is called 0 at this level here. The velocity is not 0. It's measured because the body is already in motion before they started measuring the acceleration. I then thought, okay, accelerates, moves so faster. That is the meaning of acceleration. So the body moves what in the first way to this point. So this point is acceleration. And how you get to this place, when you compare to this, is move in direction of constant speed. So it means that here to this place is a constant what? Speed. I get now. Where are the points? At this point of constant speed, that is F to G, E to F is acceleration, F to G. So let me put it at that place. That E to F is called acceleration, and what G to F to G, you have F to G. Okay, it is called what? Constant speed. Okay, and also G to H it is called retardation. We have our G what to H, it is called what retardation. That is R. Let's put it as R. Now, and the question said that we should test what which one that is true about what this motion of that car. So let's read the first one. Let me follow read the question, and if you know your answer, I can go to the comment section and comment your answer right now, okay? Because of what I just explained here. So let's just up to it. Let me explain it again. Ear to ear is the acceleration I just explained here, and F to G, this time for ear to there, is what is a constant speed, where acceleration is 10 to 0 at this particular level, at the constant speed level here, and then is there to this way is what? Retardation. Now, which of these following, this is a statement that is true about this diagram? Okay, A, deceleration between point F and H. They're talking about deceleration, point F and H. So when we talk about what are F and H, we have F and H. So it means that are they decelerate from this place to this place? The answer is no, because deceleration occur between what? G and F. I said deceleration is same as what? As retardation, or we call it deceleration. Retardation is same as what? Deceleration. So it means that deceleration only occur from H to G to H. Is not from F to H. That is not correct. That one does not true. So let's go to the remaining one again. For your option B, acceleration between F and G. They're talking about the acceleration between F and G. So where is our F and G? In this place, this is not acceleration. This is called constant speed. Between this F and G, there is no acceleration. It is called constant speed. So it means that the option B is not true. So let's go to the option C. As a constant speed between point E and F. Constant speed between point E and F. What is that point E? This E and it's a F. So here to this way is not a constant speed. It is called what? Acceleration. So it means that the option now C is totally wrong. Now let's go to the last option. It's an D. As no acceleration between F and G. So it says it does not have acceleration between F and G, which is correct. I told you that in this part, acceleration is equal to 0. When you talk about the constant speed level, acceleration is equal to 0. That is what I explained here. At this level here to this speed, the acceleration is equal to 0, which means it does not have acceleration at all. So the answer to this problem is option what? Option D. Okay, that is correct answer, and that is how you solve it. I hope you guys understand it. So if you understand this, what I just explained now, let me have a classwork for you. It's very important to submit it so I can explain more further for you if you miss it. So this is the classwork. This is the classwork. Let me show you how the classwork. Okay, yeah, this is the classwork. So this is a classwork I have for you. So if you look at this classwork, it's almost similar to what I just sent to you. Don't imagine this question is from JAMB 2014. So just be expected. That one I saw is from JAMB 2010. Just imagine that different for you. They said the similar question. No matter how you are trying to escape this topic, you cannot escape it. This is better for you to understand it now. So how do you solve this question? You can look alive. We have the diagram. For the diagram above, the region of zero velocity, zero acceleration is what? So let me make it those very well. This one is M, this one is N, this one is S, this one is P, this one is Q. So let me repeat again. This one is M, this one is N, this one is S, this one is what? P. So you can find the answer and give me the answer in the comment section to know that you have understand it. I think by now you should know the region where acceleration is equal to 0. So don't be confused, it's very simple. So send it to my DM. If you haven't joined my WhatsApp group right now, my support WhatsApp group right now, you can join it. Okay, let me send me and submit your answer. Or if you want to join it, say you want to join my physics WhatsApp group and also mathematics WhatsApp group. So we have 0. Okay, let me try to pick my pen out. So the WhatsApp number you can contact, we have 09061221656. That is my WhatsApp number. Please don't call me. Just send the message on WhatsApp. Thank you. So we shall meet in the next class where we'll be talking about more highlighting about this question, multiple question that you should be expecting this upcoming WAEC and JAMB examination. So don't miss any part of this class. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. And also turn the notification button in case we are banned for like this. You'll be the first one notified. And also please, if you find this video is really so helpful, you can also share it with your friends so people that can benefit from this video. Thank you. God bless you guys as God do it. Let's meet in the next class. Let's meet there.